What is going on, everybody? How we doing? I see everybody is checking in. How everybody's doing this morning? What's going on, Frank, agent? So, guys, I am sick today, right? So I'm gonna be talking, but I'm not gonna be talking. Y'all could probably hear in my voice, but y'all know my energy is always gonna be 100 because the sickness is just a physical part of you. What is actually the best thing that happens or is actually in our bodies is our mind. So we can handle this and change this mentally. So I'm gonna still give you guys the same crazy energy that I always give you guys. Y'all know how I am with my likes. Clearly, I see a lot of y'all liking the video, so I appreciate that once again. So as you guys see today, we got some interesting things going on today. One is that we are doing that 10K giveaway. You guys see the look up top. You see what's hovering over there, left, going over to the left hand side. We have the 10K giveaway we're going to be announcing later today, though, right? But what's most importantly is that you heard in my voice. What's importantly is that we have Chart Prime Pioneer here, Army Piper. He will be our special guest for today. I know a lot of you guys been tapping in with the Chart Prime indicators that's, that I've been mentioning in a lot of my videos. So today is the day. We finally got him on board. I want all of y'all to make sure y'all are very engaging. He is very knowledgeable in the markets. Besides just Forex, he looks at stocks, options, crypto, features, all of that. So if you guys want to make sure you tap into everything that we got going on, and all the links down there is in for him to follow too. You want to make sure you follow his social media and all that. That's in the description too. So give me 1 second, guys. I'm gonna go over Dollar and I'm gonna go ahead and bring him on board. I got a little creamy tomato. They better sponsor me for just sponsoring them. What's going on, Sway? All right, so guys, we had news that came on earlier, but we see that dollar is currently it's in this area of our weekly kill zone, right? We tapped into this yesterday in the live streams. We're talking about what to expect for this week. So we are currently in this weekly zone level, right? I want to see let me turn myself up a little bit. Hold on. My bad, y'all. I'm about to turn myself up because my chat. Hold on. My chat. There we go. I'm turning myself up because I don't want to speak too loud. But anywho, dollar is heading up, right? Well, we want it to head up possibly. However, we got to still pay attention to some of these highs right here, like right over here. We got to see what we got going on. Now with dollar or with gold, we dropping, right? We did a liquidity phase. I was actually looking on it to head up, but seeing that the dollar is actually very strong in that weekly kill zone, it kind of tells me that we're going to be heading up or heading down possibly, right? Now, NASDAQ, we're going to bypass that one for a bit. And then I want to go into, I think it was USD CAD. So USD CAD, I'm looking on some up moves for USD CAD as well. So I really want to make sure that you guys pay attention to USD CAD. And I think for today, GBPUSD is going to also be our pair that we're going to keep our eye open on. Just because I do see market, I want to see market tapping back into some of these levels here. And then we're going to be looking for some opportunity. All right. Quick money, quick recovery. I'm trying, man. I'm trying to recover, y'all. And then let's see one more thing. What was it? Euro. I don't know if we're going to have anything with Euro. Besides the fact that we do have a range that we want to focus on from here. We got to see when this range will end. So we can start tapping into that. Now, guys, for those, like I said, for those that's new to my channel, make sure you like this video because y'all know how I am with my likes. And also make sure you subscribe as well Guys, we got over 300 people watching right now, but we don't even have 200 likes. I'm not even going to bring our special guest in because he's going to be dropping some fire gems. So I'm going to need everybody to go ahead and get this to 200 likes. We got to get this video to 200 likes. Because we're going to start tapping into some major gems today. When you put two masterminds together, man, the room, it's going to be very hot when you come in there. And then y'all can ask me questions. I know we got a lot of people that trade crypto. I know some people even trade options. All types of things. We got to get this to 200 likes. I know we can do it. Same effort that y'all put into click my live stream, same effort I asked for in my videos. Right, once we hit 200, I'm going to ask for 300 next, but we got to get to 200 first. We're about 20 away. Y'all got to show support because look, I'm literally sick right now. Right, I got all types of things going on right here. I play no games. The video trading, even when you sick, you can still trade. You know, I love it. Let's go ahead and get this to 600. Or, 600 likes would be great. But 200, we're about 2 away. Now look at that. See, that's all I asked for. Something simple. All right, guys. So let me go ahead and pause this for a second. So like I said, we have a special guest in the building today, Army Piper. You know, he is one of the pioneers for Chart Prime, and he's definitely what he's going to be doing today is showing us how to use Chart Prime, right? Not only that, but he's also going to be doing markups, kind of helping me out, and kind of showing you guys what we got going on, and everything like that for Chart Prime. So, Army Piper, are you here?
Oh yeah, I'm here.
All right, so let me go ahead and switch you over. All right, brother. You should be able to. All right, guys. We should be able to see you. Hold on. There we go. All right, what's going on, man?
Hey, what's up, man? How you doing?
I'm good.
I was hoping you popped me in here. I was actually getting ready to call that gold was getting ready to do a reversal here. I've been watching it all morning. You know, we had the ISM non-manufacturing PMI came out, and then we on a drop from that. But I was looking here, right over here on the 1 minute chart, and we started to get the green dot. And after we got this twist in the ribbon, got the bullish engulfing candle, and it just started taking back up. So, yeah, it's looking good. Looking good.
That's what's up.
It's funny too. Yeah, it's funny too because I actually was looking at SPY this weekend. You know, practicing around with one of your VIP members, Shiloh Patrick. I had this up, and we were looking at the SPY, and I actually put in this call on Sunday, I believe it was, or Saturday night, and yeah, it said that it was coming all the way down to here, and it hit perfect. So,
jeez, nice.
Yeah, yeah.
How many points was that?
That is.
I think it's about. Looks like about.
It's 414 ticks. So
wow, nice.
Yep.
Nice.
Yeah. Yep. All off of just looking at how we were getting the twist in the ribbon and the downward dot over here, and then I was like, this is going to open up way down, and there it is. So beautiful. But yeah, I'm right now. I'm just watching the gold market and trying to see what we can get on here. I appreciate you having me on the show, man. Appreciate it.
Ain't no problem. We appreciate you for being in tune.
I'll start looking for some other stuff while you're in here too, and whatever you're looking at, I'll look at it on mine and I'll drop it into your VIP.
Awesome.
Down here on Discord. So
awesome. So yeah, guys, if you are not tapped into the VIP, make sure you guys tap into the VIP because we're going to be dropping some info. And then what we can do is also I'm gonna look at some charts. I'm gonna look at some markups, and then I'm gonna kind of piggyback on you, Army, just to see if like what reads with that with Chart Prime, and we can kind of just go into that sequence right there. So let me go ahead and hold on. Let me go ahead and so
what I'd like to do is give a quick walkthrough to explain what all these different colors and all these things mean to people
You know
here.
what? Absolutely. Here, I'm gonna let you steal the show. I'm gonna let you go ahead and steal the show.
Awesome. Shout out to everybody out there, man. Thanks for guys for having me on the show today, and I'm more than happy to come on here and give you guys this breakdown. This is a really super powerful indicator setup, and what I'm going to show you here first is I'm even going to turn the candles off here because I want to show you what I'm looking at here. These are called predictive ranges here, folks. And what these do is when the price action enters into a new zone, as you can see here, it broke out of the past the fake out breakout of the purple line here, and it went into a whole new range. This actually starts to print as soon as it goes into a new range. So these are completely predictive. There's nothing on this at all that is lagging or repaints on this indicator. So you can see here that what I'm looking for inside of this predictive ranges here is we have the fake out breakouts, which are these purple lines on the outside. This is our lower support band. This is our upper resistance band. And then everything, for the most part, should trade within this trade band right here. And what that is the delta line in the middle. That's your blue. And then you got your upper trade band, your lower trade band. They're gold because that's kind of like the golden pocket for that predictive range, okay? So now you know what those are, and you can see we broke down into here, and we're kind of staying right here along this upper range. What I expect that this is going to do, if it keeps going down, is come down to validate the delta line here. And then what the lowest point that I'm looking at is 1762. I would look for resistance at around 1780 coming off of this upper resistance band. So this is one part that I do on this. And just so you guys are tracking, this is actually a strategy that I developed specifically for solo. And it is called the Solo 105, guys. So what I've got here is a 1 minute chart on the left side, and I've got a 15-minute chart on the right side. If I bring up this 15-minute chart here and show you what we're working with here, if I'm not making yellow dots on the screen for you, you can see that we started to get, well, there's numerous things here going on. First off, we've got auto chart patterns. So it printed off this rising wedge, and we got a breakout perfectly off of that and gave us indication of all of this. And then we've also got this downtrend. I've got these right now set up to be abbreviated, but in the actual settings for this, you can make it unabbreviated. I just don't like a whole lot of noise on my charts because I like to focus on the price and not all of the indicators, right? There we go. So yeah, you can take this and you can turn these abbreviations off, and you'll see that these are possible reversal up, downtrend, so on and so forth. And what I'm doing on this is I'm literally looking for the trend so that I know what to trade on the 1 minute. So I'm getting a higher time frame trend to trade the lower time frame, and this is the Solo 115. What I'm going to show you here is, so I can bring this up, is you can see that we got the downtrend on Sunday night at about 11:30 my time. So wherever you are, I'm Mountain Standard Time, but that's what we got there. So now it tells me that I'm going to be looking for this time frame, and if I bring this over here on the 1 minute time frame on your left here, you can see that. Let me bring it in. We're looking for this time frame over here. So here we go. So yeah, right in here, we got this downtrend was confirmed. And so you could have traded all of this with entries off the dynamic reactor. This is a market oracle indicator. It's a VWAP / moving average with a whole lot of other little telltale signs in it. The thickness of it gives you the momentum, volume, so on and so forth. Great entry point to come off of rejections or pullbacks and into a trade for the downside.
Nice.
We've also got the pop. Oh yeah. There's a lot of things. We have so many indicators within our indicators, man. It's if I pull up the market oracle here,
That's my favorite.
I mean, you can see we've got the dynamic reactor. We've got reversal bands, which are kind of like Bollinger Bands on crack, if you will. I mean, you can see anytime that we get into them, they really just pump. So we've got the external market influence signals, which this measures in gold. The DEC on gold, for example, would be one of the things that would affect this market, and it would start giving you that. We've got support resistance, and this just got updated. I don't know if you downloaded this yet, Solo, but now you can set your support resistance levels, which let me turn off my support resistance bundle, and you'll see that these are all in the actual market oracle now. So check this out. you can actually change the time frame for your support resistance lines. So if you've got support resistance lines on say an hour and you're looking for those high time frame resistance and support bands, now you've actually can set that on the 1 minute chart for whatever time frame you want to be on. So if you're on a 1 minute, you could throw up 15-minute support resistance lines.
I think that would be perfect for everybody right there.
Yeah, just came out, brand new, came out this weekend. So wow. Very, very nice change up to our stuff here, man. I was like, yes, this is it. This is the fire. Let's go. We get updates all the time, so it's fantastic. But yeah, this is in here, and then we got the trend lines. I just set mine on 50. I changed my colors there. No, I'm not a Lakers fan, but I like it because there's too much red and green in my opinion, so I changed my colors to some other colors here. But yeah, so what you have here, let me turn off my reversal bands here. Here we go. So yeah, how this works, folks, is we have, why do I always click yellow dots on here, man?
You just went black on my end. Hold on, let me bring you back. All right, you should be good now. Okay.
I'm back. Okay. So yeah. So what we're looking at here, folks, on this is, when I start to get the uptrends, for example, if we take this back here and put this, and you can see as I swipe left, the line moves on here on both, so it's really easy to keep track of. We got this candle pattern, candlestick pattern, the rising 3 method here, which gave us this pump up, gave us an indicator on this candle right here that we were getting a reversal down, and there was a little pullback there, not a whole lot, but a little bit. But what matters is that this whole time, because of this uptrend over here that printed, we're looking for uptrends here anyways. And so anytime I get this retest on like the delta line here, that's where I would enter at, the pullbacks, right? So anytime I get those pullbacks, or when I get, I told you inside of this gold band area is where we like to trade. So when I see this rejection here, that's a good spot for a little short action, right? But yeah, this is the Solo 115, man. I developed it just for you, and it really gives you these higher time frame trends so that you can look for your lower time frame entries on the predictive ranges and stuff. So right now on gold, what I'm looking at is, there's that uptrend I was talking about, and it's taken off. So yeah, that's it, man.
That's amazing. So guys, I know that it might be a lot of information for some, especially if you're new to trading, but like I said before, it's always good to have more confirmations, right? Y'all should know this. Y'all know how I am when it comes to trading. I love more than one confirmation. I usually look for 3 confirmations, and you guys know I personally tell you all the time that, hey, I use Chart Prime, especially when I'm on my phone. It's kind of my go-to just because I can analyze it right there with my phone, and I'm all set. So if you guys are ever interested, my mic is kind of low. If you guys are ever interested, go ahead and make sure you check out the links down below. Also, we are also doing a giveaway as well. Thanks to Chart Prime and Army Piper, especially for going ahead and sponsoring this giveaway. I can go ahead and say that. We are doing a giveaway, and I believe it's 1 month, right? Is it
your first month to be free, and then after that, we have other package deals that you can go with off of. A lot of our people go with the quarterly or the annually, just because once they get in there, they realize that it's cheaper to go that way because they're going to keep it. Because just so you know, we also give full classes that are free on using Chart Prime. So you don't just like, here's your fantastic tools, go build a house. We actually teach you how to build a house. So yeah, you're not alone and unafraid out there flopping around in the dust, man.
I love it. So guys, here's the rules for the giveaway. If you check out the link, there's links down below. You guys have to follow Army Piper on Twitter. That's 1. Okay. Step 2, you got to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Otherwise, you ain't gonna get nothing. And then 3 is you have to make sure you subscribe to Chart Prime's YouTube channel as well. All right. After all of those steps are complete, we're going to be announcing a winner actually on Army Piper's Chart Prime channel, YouTube channel. We're going to do it Wednesday, right?
Yep. Okay. Wednesday we do the midweek market pulse on Wednesday live. I do 3 shows a week on my channel over there. It's called the Primetime Show. So
okay, perfect. So you guys have it. So those are the 3 steps. Like I said, I'm gonna say it one more time. You must follow him on Twitter. That all the links is down below in the description. You can follow him on Twitter, twitter.com, Army Piper, exactly how it's spelled. You also want to make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And then you want to make sure you subscribe to his YouTube channel, which all the links are down below. I'm making sure we got it down there. YouTube, I got to put it in the YouTube, actually. Do not have YouTube on here? I don't have YouTube on here. Or do I not? I don't. So let me go ahead and throw on the YouTube. Hold on, guys. There we go. So here is the YouTube channel. I need everybody. I am going to pin this. I need everybody that is watching right now to subscribe to his YouTube channel.
Yeah, and watch my shows because none of my shows overlap with yours. We're both on separate timelines, so
And that's even better.
Matter of fact, a lot of our Discord community members that use Chart Prime are now in your community here. We've had quite a few of them come over, and they're straddling the solo Chart Prime world.
That's amazing right there. I actually I know we do have Patrick in the building. I don't know if he's tapped in right now. That's really good to know.
Yeah, he was asking you earlier if you were going live today. So.
Oh, he was? Okay.
Yeah, and that's how I knew you were sick, because he was like, "Yeah, I think Solo's sick. Is he going to do a show?" I was like, "Man, we trade no matter what.
Right? Yeah.
We will some Theraflu, and we'll go good to go.
Right, exactly.
Give me a chart."
Guys, I need everybody to make sure.
Gold here. Go ahead, brother.
No,
I'm just looking at some charts here.
I'm just making sure everybody is tapping in on the on all of the steps. So yeah, like I said, guys, step 1 is follow him on Twitter, subscribe to my YouTube, and then subscribe to his YouTube, which I just pinned it in the chat room. And then on Wednesday we will be announcing the winner. Done. I love it.
Check it out in a 15-minute here. Perfect support off of the dynamic reactor right here.
Is that for what we looking at?
That's the SPY. Yep. Yep. Came down pretty much to my take profit line where I was going to close out that trade on the SPY. So I should have took that one.
That would have been nice. I'm looking at. Let's see. Hold on. So I'm actually looking at GU. I would like to see GU come up to roughly around 22400. I kind of want to see what it would do from there. What you got for your chart prime analysis on that?
Pull up my GBPUSD here. That's what you're talking about, right?
Yep. Yeah.
Yep.
Cool.
Oh yeah, look. I told you right inside that band is where we trade at on the 1 minute. Look at that. It's like there's the delta line in the middle, that blue line. There's your upper trade band, your lower trade band. A majority of it will take place in here. 2 times we've gotten perfect support off of that lower gold band on the uptick. Plus the oscillator on the 1 minute still looking strong. We had this bullish divergence that printed right down here. And then another new indicator that we now have on the oscillator is these blue dots. This is called the multi-confluence indicator. It's the multi-confluence divergence. That's it. It's new. Let me get there. Let me get this out. My brain's foggy from the flu, man. Sorry, Alex. So yeah, we had this print both times. And you can see right here, this printed at this candle here. And then we had the uptick, the oversold. We got that little twist in the ribbon that I told you I like to watch for. And then all of that run up right there.
That's beautiful. Yeah. So that would have been a nice little trade right there off of just the chart prime.
Yep, absolutely. And now it looks like we're getting a little bit of pullback on the delta line again. It's probably going to be this range that we get most of it. Once we get a breakout on this and it retest back on this blue line, that's where I would watch for the uptick to come to this level. So, but again, I would wait for everything to check out that direction, right? First off. And then secondly, we want to see a retest on here. When we get that retest, that's where you enter at. And then take profit there. So that's what I'm seeing on the GU right now. And if we look at the 15-minute, you can see we're on this downtrend. We got a perfect retest there of the delta line before it dropped again. So if this prints out to an uptrend, the green uptrend flag, or we get a good reversal up down here, or we get the blue dot that prints down here on the oscillator, which this is starting to twist right here. So I would be watching for that to do a pullback up. Until then, we're still looking for downtrend stuff. And in that downtrend, we can just hit these little rejections and turnarounds, right? So,
Yep. I agree.
Yep.
That's fire.
Yep.
Somebody asked a question. Let's see. What was the question? Let me go back to my. It was something about. So real quick. So guys, I'm sorry. I'm gonna be reading it, but I'm reading it to myself. I usually read it out loud so y'all can see it. Really focus on price action, but yes, it is good to it is good to use indicators, right? I say this all the time. Indicators, you definitely want to go, especially if you're new to trading, you want to make sure you have your confirmations first set up with price action, market structure, and then you can go ahead and throw in any indicator it is, whether if it's chart primes or something else, you could throw it on there. But the beauty of chart prime is that you have everything, literally everything you need from market order code, support and resistance, chart patterns, candlestick patterns. So it's kind of like all in one bundle.
Yeah, Mike's House of Mods also asked, he said he has chart prime. What are the gold and purple lines? So I made these gold and purple myself. They're normally red and green, but it's just trend lines right here, and I have my sensitivity set to 50 on that, Mike. So that's what that is. Try to answer some of these questions that people are asking in here. My YouTube name is Army Piper, man. But the name of the show is Prime Time, and it's on the Chart Prime YouTube channel. There's a link dropped in by Solo.
Oh, we got a good question from E. I know E trades futures all the time. We just tapped into that. He wants to know. I mean, you was kind of looking at SPY already, so.
Yep. Yeah, it does really good on futures. Matter of fact, that's what Shiloh Patrick uses it for also. And then we've got a full-time trader in our group also that literally, like, that's what he does. He supports his wife, himself, and his kid. His name is Trudon in our community, and he does nothing but futures, and he kills it. Absolutely kills it with Chart Prime. He went from, I'm getting ready to do an interview with him on my show actually here soon. But he went from about a 60 to 70% accuracy rate to 85 plus without fail, moving over to Chart Prime. So,
man, you might have to say that again. I don't think they catch on to that. What you said, he had a 60% win ratio?
He had a 60 to 65% win ratio, and now his win ratio is over 85% every week.
Wow. And this is all thanks to Chart Prime, huh?
Oh yeah. He's a lifer now, man. He's in the Chart Prime army over there. He's really good at it. I'm going to be interviewing him, and he's going to actually show what he uses Chart Prime for and how he uses it. But he's absolutely crushing it over there with on futures with using Chart Prime. So
imagine you guys trade the style that I trade and the style I teach, right? Imagine you guys do everything that I teach, and you guys see how our win ratios is pretty good so far during the live sessions. Now, if we were to add something to match that, which would be perfect, Chart Prime, imagine what can really be done. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I'm telling you guys, this is why I personally felt Chart Prime when it came to me. And this is why I'm a diehard fan of saying it in all my videos, because I believe in it. I truly believe in the product, and I don't like talking about stuff that I don't believe in, you know? But this is definitely something I believe in 100%.
Well, here's a US 30. We got this uptrend right here, this possible reversal up that printed on this candle. And you can see once we got the pullback here, it closed out on that, right? We got the pullback here for the retest for support on the delta line and up to the dynamic reactor right there. Reversal down again, done. So there's US 30 with using Chart Prime. I can pull up the SPY again and show you that. I mean, it works on everything. I trade crypto with it, and
somebody did ask, can you show them a Bitcoin real fast?
Oh yeah, I'm actually in a Bitcoin trade right now off of this morning.
Well,
wait,
wait, before you show anything, hold on, guys, y'all know I wanted to play my dramatic music. We got 400 people watching, but we don't even have 300 likes. So I'm gonna need everybody to go ahead and smash the like button. Let's get these likes up because right now he's dropping so much gems right now, and this is all free 99. So all I ask for is just a simple support of just you guys liking the video. That shows that you guys really appreciate what I do, and that definitely just to add more value to me, knowing that all right, everybody cares. So yeah, I'm gonna need you guys to go ahead and like the video. What are you? I'm looking at these comments. Ban who? Anyway, y'all know how I am with that. We don't feed off any negative energy. But anyway, we got the 300 likes. So yeah, man, go ahead and talk about Bitcoin real fast. I know we got some people in here that trade Bitcoin. I used to trade it, but I stopped.
Yeah, crypto's my favorite thing to trade, man. Hey, just so you're tracking on US 30 right now, we're getting really thin here on this cloud. And we're getting a lot of divergences popping in here. I would look for a downtrend on US 30 for anyone that's trading that right now. When this starts to get really thin like this, that tightness, it usually plays out in action. And right now, everything's looking with the divergences that are printing, the bearish divergences, it looks like it's getting ready to go down. Plus, the MACD is just now starting to twist and go into the histogram red. So, yeah, just something I was looking at there real fast. But let me show you the Bitcoin. So, yeah, this morning I got into a trade on Bitcoin. Let me pull this up here and clean it up for you. There we go. And I actually got into it before we even hit this possible downtrend that we're in right now. I did it because we started to get, we had all of this downtrend going on with the overbought. Sorry, let me click that. With the overbought, and we had the red, the twist of the ribbon, all that stuff. So I put in a partial order on it, and it's, I got in at 17,198, and it's just going down still. I think that I'm going to watch for my take profit right here on the, this is 1 hour chart, just so you guys are tracking. I'm looking at 1 hour on Bitcoin. I'm looking to take profit down at the dynamic reactor for partial profit, and I'll move my stop loss up to my entry so that I don't lose any money on the pullback. But if it breaks this and we get this pushed down through the dynamic reactor with the retest on the bottom, I might actually add to my position there again for more downside. So, because you can see, again, I told you guys on the predictive ranges in between the two gold bands, right? So there's a lower gold band, lower gold band right here, and the upper gold band right there. There's my delta line. So I'm actually looking for that to come down to the lower band here. So we got a perfect rejection off the upper band, and I'm looking for it to come down. So that's what I'm looking for there, and that's why I'm in that Bitcoin trade. So. But yeah, I primarily use this for crypto, but I'm trying to get into more diversification of trading. So I've been looking at all kinds of stuff, futures, gold. It works on oil. I was looking at oil crude the other day, and I was like, man, this is nailing these calls on oil crude. So don't know much that it doesn't work on.
I got a question because I'm looking at NASDAQ right now, actually. Let me see. Hold on. I'm looking at NASDAQ for a possible scalp, like a sell, but I'm looking at it more in details. I'm trying to see something actually because I don't know. NAS100.
Yeah, let me pull that up. And I was reading some of the things here. I absolutely agree. There are some free indicators out there that you can piece together that give you a similar picture. But nothing that's going to give you the picture that Chart Prime does, man. I guarantee you cannot replicate all of these indicators that you get from Chart Prime. And no one says you had to buy it. Like, if you want it, get it. There's a link below in the description here in Solo's show. You learn training on how to use it. It'll give you an edge. Me personally, I'm always looking for an edge. This is a harsh world, and we are not what they call smart money. So I'm always looking for my edge to get the upper hand in trades. So. NAS100. I think I got NAS100 in here, but let me double check. What are you seeing? Which one are you on?
I'm on Global Prime. Yep, that one right there, the first one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me pull it up. See what I'm seeing here. Oh, I'm on the wrong chart. Let's try this. We get back to the solo.
I
Let me get
haven't
back to the solo 115.
so I haven't really did a full analysis on Nasdaq right now, but I was looking at it, but I don't know yet, because now I'm kind of seeing something else. But I'm just curious to see what you see on your end.
Well, there it is on the 15-minute. We got the reversal up, on Friday, and then we got the reversal down, which it followed through with. But it looks like it's stuck below the dynamic reactor here, man. It's holding really hard on it. So on the 15-minute. Yeah, it's kind of mixed right now. I mean, we are losing momentum on the downside. I had pointed out to you before that once we get this twist in the ribbon and it starts to come down when it leaves the cloud, it's losing that momentum in the price action, which right afterwards it started to come back up. I would actually wait for this to get a rejection around the 11,905 range, 11,905.34, and then for a pullback down before I would do anything with that right now, because we are starting to get the twist in the ribbon here. We are starting to get an uptrend here on the 15-minute, and we've got multiple bullish divergences that are printed on the oscillator. So I don't know that it's ready yet. That's a watch and wait for me.
Got
What are
you,
you seeing on it?
I'm looking at it, and I see that it's tapping into a range midpoint, but I do see it coming up a little bit more before actually tapping down. But like I said, it's kind of tricky right now because I don't know if we could expect some downward moves. We might possibly expect something going sideways. I don't know yet. So it's kind of up in the air for that one.
We are on this wedge on Chart Prime also. It printed a auto chart pattern of a wedge. So
nice. Okay, so I can see that too.
Yeah, I could see it coming up and hitting this upper gold band of the predictive range along with the dynamic reactor, giving it that double resistance area before it comes back down again. But eventually this is going to do what wedges do most likely and come out. So,
yeah.
Yep, that's what I'm seeing though.
All right, let's see. Yo, US 30. We just kind of talked about, bro, my mic low. Nah, my voice is low. I'm trying my best. This is how high I can speak. This is the most highest I can speak right now without trying to overdo it. But yeah, I'm trying to tap into. We just talked about US 30 already. Nasdaq, we talked about that. Kind of, not really. No, not really. It's just that my voice is done, like right now. That's kind of really what it is. So I'm like super mellow today.
You need to pump it up, man.
I know.
You need to pump it up.
I'm trying.
Let's get this. It's trade day. Let's go.
So guys, make sure you like the video up. Make sure you go ahead and like the video. I'm gonna start showing my charts too, Army, so they can start seeing it on my end too. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch.
Absolutely.
I'm gonna go ahead and switch back. Now, at any given time you want to speak, you can, or if whatever, just let me know.
Yeah, I appreciate it. I'm going to be dropping some snapshots of whatever you're looking at from my perspective on what you're looking at down into your VIP on Discord. So,
all right, cool, perfect, man. All right, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and play some music too in the background. I know we got Army Piper here. I had to pause it, because we had some important information we needed to drop on that chart prime. But if you guys aren't in the Discord, make sure you guys join the Discord. Also, I did put Chart Prime's or Army Piper's YouTube channel, so make sure you guys follow as well. But yeah, guys, let's go ahead and let me go ahead and play some tunes real fast. Where we at? Let's see. Cool. Y'all probably gonna hear it twice. Hold on. There we go. All right, guys. So, what are we talking about in the chat room? once again, guys, make sure you go ahead and follow Army Piper's YouTube channel, Chart Prime. They do go live different times, different days throughout the week. Yeah, smash that like button. You guys know how we do in our streams, man. Smash that like button. All right, guys. So let me see. Where's my Discord at? I can't even figure this out right now. All right, there we go. So we had all the news happen for the day, right? Everything that we needed. We're good, right? We do have some other news happening, but that's not until later tonight. So we're pretty chill right now. But like what I was saying earlier with GU, I wanted to head into this level around 22400. I want to start seeing if we can get any reaction for market to pretty much take off. And it's crazy because I remember Army Piper was talking about this, and it looks like it wants to start tapping up. And I believe if Army Piper, if you can post the this one in the VIP, I could possibly look at it too and share it in the overall. But yeah, this right here is fire, guys.
What is that?
GU. GBPUSD. Nathan, if that's your name, I can't really see it this far because my chart is like super small, so I gotta. Yeah, I appreciate that. When my style CP have changed, how do I go anyway? Oh, do you have an iMac? I mean, or a are you reinstalling on your computer or on your phone? Hey, yo, Sway, you in the building too, right? I know you posted a US 30 trade, which was dope. You're on a computer. I mean, it's very simple to reinstall. All you got to do is go back to the broker you use, go to the page, download MT4, MT5, whatever one you use, and then see if it will work or not in. And you guys know today we're also doing another giveaway, I'm gonna be announcing the 10K giveaway. I have the email right here, but we got to get to 400 likes. You know, I got the email here. I'm gonna be checking it in a bit, and I'm gonna use a randomizer to choose the winner. Let's see. All right, guys. So I'm gonna go to. Hold on, y'all. I'm going to my email. We about to tap in and see what's up. It's crazy. I don't even know what email they sent it to, but it's on my phone. He said dramatic music approaching. Nah, not right now. Not right now. All right, we got over 143 names I gotta choose from. We got over 143 names I'm gonna choose from. So you guys see here, here's all of the names. If y'all see your name in here, just get ready. I'm gonna pop it. I'm gonna pop this all in a randomizer. Randomizer. Did I say it right? Yes. And randomizer. Jeez, can't even talk. But we're gonna pop it in there, and then I'm gonna be announcing the winner soon. But let's try to look for some trades though. Yeah, USD CAD is heading up. It's too late for the giveaway, but no worries, man. We doing a chart prime giveaway too, and we got a lot of other things coming too. But I'm not doing a giveaway yet until we get these likes up, though. Okay, so here's the GU setup that we got. So I see 2122400. That's kind of where we're looking for price to settle. I want to see price settle on that. It is an overall downtrend, guys. You see on the 15 minute, it is overall downtrend. So even chart prime, we're kind of getting the same exact confirmation. So that's going to be interesting to see what we got with GU. I do see dollars still heading up. However, if we start breaking these lows right here, this is going to be that minor pullback to tap into these levels. Like there to there. And then honestly, y'all, if dollars going down, that GU trade could hit up possibly for a bit, coming to these levels. This is where I'm going to be looking for a sell. I'm not looking for anything right now. I'm more interested in the sell. It's going down, guys. Break a structure is going down. So let me put a note here. It is too late to join. Yeah, unfortunately it is because I've been announcing this one for a minute, the giveaway. Nobody want to give away yet because we haven't announced it yet because we ain't got our likes up. I need to get this randomizer thing. Hold on. Yeah, we got so many names to pull. This is crazy. All right, so this is how we're gonna do the giveaway once we do it. Just for privacy purposes, I'm not gonna include the last name. We're not putting the last name. It's only the first name. So if we call out your name and you guys, I'm gonna put it. If we call out your name, it's gonna be the first name. All you gotta do is confirm that it's you by sending us the email address that you use off that name, and then once we verify it, then boom, you get the account. But I'm only gonna do first name just due to privacy purposes. You said the Discord link is invalid. What Discord link? Which one? I'm also gonna post the winner in the Discord too. Hey, can you brought the mentor? Hit me up on Discord real fast about the mentor that you did, Bri. Hit me up. Hey, Army Piper, are you still tuned in?
Of course I am.
I got a question. So
Yeah.
I'm looking at this GU trade, and it looks nice even for a buy, but obviously for me personally, it's too far out. I would consider a buy, but and it'll be a really quick scalp buy. But just curious to know what does your chart prime read? Does it read anything for a buy, like a most quickest scalpish 1 minute, even second, 30-second buy? If you see that.
Yeah, so we're still getting the
Hold on, let me switch you over. Hold on.
yeah.
Let me switch you over real fast and stop this music because it's overlapping with you. All right, go ahead. You should be good now.
Okay. So yeah, we're still in this downward this descending wedge right here, and we haven't been able to break it yet. The only way that I would look at getting into a long on this, which is what I dropped in your VIP, would be if we get a breakout of this wedge with a retest, and then I would enter at that line to go from there. We could take any of these wedge touch points here for a quick scalp if you're looking at that. But again, I don't know. I mean, this is a bullish pattern, so this could break up at any moment. If we get a good push down on this, I might go with the scalp off of this again.
Got you.
So that's what I'm seeing on there right now. It's just kind of sideways, really, when you think about it. Grab the regression trend here. Yeah, we're just kind of trading down in this little downward channel. So until we get something that gives me confirmation, I don't know that I would be too much. But if you're looking for a quick 30-second scalp, anywhere off this upper trend line of the wedge would be where I would go with.
That's what I'm thinking too. Yep. Cool. I appreciate that.
Yeah, no problem, bro.
So yeah, guys. So you guys see that that area right there is very hot. It's very hot. So we got to be careful of that. Said, could you look at GJ? I just see GU still tapping down. You know, still tapping down. I think that's what it's doing for sure. Maybe I buy it, but I don't think so. I'm more interested in this right here though, to sell to anything. GJ is one of my pairs, but I don't see anything right now with GJ. Actually, you know what's crazy about GJ? I actually do have more structured with GJ than anything else. So like these two levels right here with GJ, it's kind of where I'm interested at. I mean, GJ's been heading up for some time. And I had mentioned this earlier too, that GJ is supposed to be heading up to take some of these highs out and then start tapping into some of these levels here. So like you guys see all this liquidity being built up right here. Yeah, they want that. We just got a lot going on from here to here, here to here. Yeah, we gotta see what's up with that one. NASDAQ. We finally tapped into my POI level. Damn. I want to see a pullback before I sell it. Shit. Yeah, NASDAQ is shooting, y'all.
Yeah, I'm not seeing much on the GJ either, by the way.
You not?
Nope.
Yeah. Guys, we got over 500 people and we don't have 400 likes. We got to get these likes up. This NASDAQ trade, though, I'm looking on the sell, but it kind of already took off on me. But I'd rather see more momentum anyway, because I know it's going to pull. I kind of want to see something like that, and then a quick little boom, a quick little scalp. Damn, this looked nice on the 5-minute play. Yo, you called out, Armor. You called out a sell on US 30 though, did you? Or you was looking at a sell on US 30, right?
Yeah, I was.
How is that playing out? Anything moving so far with US? Let me see.
Yeah, we definitely got the pullback that I was talking about.
Yeah, I do see that.
Yep.
Yeah, guys. I don't know what US 30 is always weird to me because it's been the most weirdest, choppiest, scariest pair for me to look at. I don't know why. Patrick, what did you get into? The US or the NASDAQ?
Oh, the US 30. Patrick Downs always trades US 30, man. That's my boy.
That's what's up. Cause I know for me US 30 isn't the best, but NASDAQ I'm looking at it. But US 30 sell, yeah, I see that. I mean, this is a sell. Hold on, y'all. This is really a sell. Patrick, I also know you use Chart Prime too. Army, I know you mentioned that you seen the sell too. I just know how I am with trading, y'all. As much as beautiful this looks, just because I got in this trade a little late, I need a pullback. I really enter on the 5 minute. Believe it or not, I'm more 1 minute 30-second entry guy.
Getting a lot of support on that lower golden band of the predictive ranges. It's coinciding right with the dynamic reactor though, so it's getting support on that band and rejection off of the dynamic reactor, literally in a range of about $1.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Let me look. I'm gonna pop on your screen real fast. There we go.
Yeah, you can see here. You can see here we got the lower golden band. This is the reversal down that I was talking about earlier, right off of the order block down. But now we just printed a downtrend also, strong downtrend indicator, and there it goes.
Jeez.
Yep, there it went.
Yeah. Yeah, I missed that one, y'all. So I gotta wait on the pullback. But gosh, Lee. We are shooting down, guys. Here, let me pop in my screen real fast. Yeah, guys, we we are heading down.
So on your charts, that gray line, is that your liquidity block?
Yeah, basically. Yeah.
Okay.
TP1 hit on GJ. Nice, nice, nice. What GJ trade you called out? All indicators go together. The ace. You hit at me, but why you at me? Oh, I see. Hey, put timers in the way. Trying to view appears for lows and wanted to change it.
Oh, did you see that? Someone got right at the top, thanks to Chart Prime.
Nice.
On US.
Go the community free. Oh, you posting in the community law? Okay, got you.
All right, let me check this. Someone's asking about gold. I'm gonna go ahead and look at it on my end. You look at it on your end if you want.
All right.
If I see anything here, I'll drop it in the VIP for you.
Perfect. Can we see Army screen solo? I don't know. I got the say of it. That's only if we got 400 likes, and we do. Okay. Of course, since we got 400 likes, I see that you guys are tapping in and love what we're doing. So absolutely. Whenever he's ready, I'll go ahead and I'll share his screen. Congrats to y'all for hitting this NASDAQ trade, because damn. Entry for me would have been right here.
Yeah, Ebony, Chart Prime is only on TradingView. It's the only platform for it right now. Sorry.
Look, my 101 would have been that low right there. 1 or 2. Yeah, guys, I just missed out on that one. It is what it is, though. Yeah, I'm gonna tap.
Philip's asking where your take profits at for the US 30.
I don't. Are you talking to me? Shoot. I honestly, guys, I have not tapped in that either. But if I was to, I'm actually waiting on a pullback with US 30 though. US 30 has no really like major settlement, right? We got a gap here, but I don't know if that's actually accurate. Yeah, my TP would be roughly around 3.4 on 0.84. But y'all know me. I'm not. It's just US 30 just not really being best friend with me. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and share the Discord link. Hold on. Make sure you guys follow Chart Prime. Information is in the chat room. Army Piper, that's where he does all of the live sessions, power hours. He goes markups as well.
Yep. And then on that Wednesday session, the midweek market pulse, that's right about the market close. And I do live trading too if anyone has call outs. So.
And live trading, that's beautiful. When will I stop trading for this year? Probably literally around New Year, that week, beginning week of New Year's or Christmas. Yeah, the risk calculator is down right now. TAC is working on it.
Dixie is looking strong. I was looking at the gold. But
you got your chart up? I'm gonna pop it over.
Yeah, I do, but I've got a little bullish engulfing candle going. And we did get the possible reversal up, the blue flag that's printed, but I would be hesitant to do much on that just simply because the Dixie's looking strong. On the 1 minute, we got a little pullback here.
We're okay. Yeah, geez.
Yeah, Dixie just keeps going.
We never pulled back yet either. I wanted to see the pullback.
We got a little reversal down on the Dixie on the 1 minute chart, but this is telling me, we are hitting the delta line on the predictive ranges, but we could come all the way up to 105.50 and still be within the normal trade range for the Dixie. So I would be hesitant to do much with the gold right now at all, just because it's going to do opposite of the Dixie right now. So,
yeah.
You can see even this candle's getting a pullback now. This is the 1 minute gold on the left.
Same thing with GU. I was looking on GU to tap further up to look for themselves, but dollar.
I tell you what, though, on the 1 minute here, you see this purple trend line? Is this the auto print trend line from Chart Prime?
Yeah, I see that.
We could get a rejection here on that, coming in at about 1777.5.
Yeah, because if dollar can remain strong, then I can see that happening with gold.
Yep.
I know we're getting. It looks like it wants to pull back, minor pullback with dollar.
Yeah.
Huh.
Someone just said US 30 pullback is happening.
Oh yeah, is it now?
Man, look at all that support on the that lower support band from the predictive ranges. Multiple.
It's too much going on with US 30 right now.
Yeah, there is.
In my opinion, I don't want to trade US 30 unless I already got in at that high peak right up there where it's at, where I think
up here
Patrick got in.
Yep.
That's where I would have tapped into, but otherwise, nah, guys, I'm not looking to enter in US 30 right now. Army Piper is the pioneer of Chart Prime. He is the guy that pretty much kind of, I would say, like, helped a lot with a lot of the features that's offered in Chart Prime. And also he is I'm gonna just say he's definitely the voice of Chart Prime. He is he is the only, at least as far as what I know, the only online creator that does all of the Chart Prime live sessions, teaching, and there's also a lot of teaching involved with him and others in the Discord, which is free to join, by the way, guys. So you definitely want to tap into all that.
Yep, I am the only voice of Chart Prime, but we do have some great instructors in there. OC Guy, and then we also have live signals for crypto and Forex. We don't have anyone for stocks yet, so we're still a relatively new company. We came out of nowhere in early 2022 and have just been slowly creeping into the market and taking our own share of it. So
that's fire.
Yep. For those that don't know about me, I'm actually I've been trading for several years, but I'm a intel analyst for the U.S. Army. I'm in my retirement window right now, so Chart Prime is actually my internship for a skills program out of the Army into the civilian world. So, yeah, getting ready to retire from the U.S. Army. That's why the name's Army Piper.
Man, congrats.
Thanks, man. I'm just waiting on one more signature on my paperwork, and then I'm released until I do my final out. So,
yeah, no, that's mad dope. That's a blessing. That's dope. The congrats, all and above. Honestly,
thanks. I appreciate it, bro. I appreciate you. Hey, somebody hit 50 pips on NAS.
50 pips. Congratulations, man, because I missed out on all of that. I'm gonna pop over my screen real fast. I missed out on all of that.
I've just been sitting here watching the NAS drop.
I've been looking at GU too much.
Hey, I appreciate all the support in the chat, man. Appreciate all y'all.
Yeah, guys, like TP2 with a smash.
Monique is retiring from the Navy in June. Congrats on your service.
Congrats. That's what's up.
She's gonna be like me. We're gonna be trading for fixed income bonus, you know. Yeah, the only thing we have left today on the schedule is total vehicle sales for November. That's it. Everything else is done.
What time does that start?
It doesn't have a time, which is so weird. It's just a blank. I'm gonna guess it's like end of the day thing, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, but there's no time on it, or maybe it's at midnight. But it's just a blank time on the calendar.
Okay. Yeah, because I'm looking. And guys, all of the moves that had happened before I got on live. Like this right here. NASDAQ, we missed out on that one. That would have been us. But congrats to some of y'all that took this trade and the US 30 trade. Much respect to the Army, man. Yeah. Who made 56K on gold? I think my sickness is getting to me, y'all. That's got to be my reason on why we ain't getting nothing.
It's the foggy brain, man. It happens. I got the same thing going. Me and Solo both talking this morning before the show, like both tried to drink Dayquil and Theraflu, and
I'm over here. I don't usually do this. Too much added sugars to it, but I got everything I could just to loosen up my everything about me, man. I'm just tight everywhere. Got cough drops, apple juice, and after this, I'm gonna get some tea. John, today have missed our trends. Hey, me too. But we still got opportunity though. Eric, you test for the rhino? Yeah, I'm good on that though. I don't have that.
The Roro.
The Roro.
The Roro.
You asking it? They asking it. Are you accepting DMs on Discord?
No. If you send me a friend request, I'll accept it. You got to send me a friend. Oh, I don't even know if I can or not. Let me go in and change that. Actually, join our Discord and just go to Hangout and tag me in it so that I can send you a friend request. That would be the best way. I keep my stuff locked down on Discord, man. Too many scammers in there.
Yeah, that's a fact.
I'm even at the point now because we've done so much crossover work, you and I, Solo, that we've got fake scammer accounts of Solo Network showing up in our Discord, and I've been banning them too now. So
they everywhere. Shake my head.
They are everywhere.
If you guys are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. And also make sure you join the Discord so you don't miss out on any fire gems that we drop. Guys, dollar is not dropping.
No, it's not. That's why I was saying the dollar was still looking strong on the 15 minutes, so I wasn't sure about any trade on the long side for.
Yeah. Let me put it in the. Hold on, guys. I'm a. I'll be adding it right now. All right, guys, make sure you just refresh. It's in the description. Also, I'm gonna put it in the chat room. Now, if dollar's still going up, GU it's just dropping. Guys, we did a liquidity phase too. We grabbed liquidity in the bottom first and then took liquidity highs out. Now we're going to be dropping. So all I'm going to see with gold or GU is boom, boom. Because remember, guys, for those that's in the VIP, I talked about this yesterday, that they are looking to prepare to come to this area here. And seeing how aggressive it is right now, I can see market tap into here for this week. So I do see downward moves for GU. For now, for sure. You on a plane, that's what's up. Safe travels to wherever you're going.
One of our members just posted a profit post on his trade for sushi. one of the crypto sushi swap, for 101.5% gains.
Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah, our profit wall over there is degen as hell.
Guys, I wanted to show you what's going on with my account right now. Friday we were live via Zoom, but not on here. We ended up taking a NASDAQ trade, and it went in profit. And then I think I took a yen trade, and it went in profit. I don't even remember this trade, but the overall account is doing really well. I told you guys I really started these live streams to show you guys that you can grow any account. I don't care if it's a small account, large account, whatever. You know, when we talk about growing accounts, we are referring to percentages. We're not referring to how much money and how fast you can make it. You guys know that trading is not a race. It's all about slow consistency, steady pacing, but mainly focusing on your mental. You can have, so there's so many of those strategies out there, right? Chart Prime, you got over 100 different strategies you can use with all Chart Prime, right? It's just about how you handle your mental. We all can sit here with $1,000 account with the same exact rules, and I promise you we all walking out with something different, because it's how we handle our mental. Benadryl, man, I don't really like Benadryl. I like NyQuil and DayQuil. I ain't even gonna lie, y'all. I thought I was sickness proof. I ain't even gonna lie, because everybody around me was getting sick, but I was like, ha 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 ha, and it finally hit me. That's what happens when you do that. It finally hit me out of nowhere too.
Hey, illness is a lot like trading, man. You got to have those little losses so you can get stronger for the next win. You know?
Exactly. That's a fact. And it's like one of those you just never know. Y'all referring me to a lot of different stuff I heard and haven't heard. I never heard of that. Peanut butter and hot sauce? That's new. I would say sickness is mental, but obviously I will be lying because y'all can hear it in my voice. But it is really mental too, honestly, because it's how you go about it. I know I'm sick, but I don't feel sick mentally. And I need to chill out, because I remember I was sick Sunday, and I went out really with a thin coat, and then on my way back home, I'm just like, yeah, I don't feel right, you know, so yeah. Yeah, US 30 was fire. Don't mention it. At this point, we gotta wait on a pullback with dollar though. Like, whenever that wants to happen, but it has to break some of these lows though, and I don't see it happening right now.
Yeah, for sure. Sometimes not being in a position is a position.
That's a fact. Yeah, not being in a position is a position. Exactly. We ain't lose nothing. We ain't win nothing. It's better than not. It's better than what? Not losing, right? Or losing a trade. We don't want to lose anything, so we obviously are here to make money, not lose it. My overall predicament with gold though is for a drop. Kind of want to see what it does in this area right here around let's say around what, 17 about 1757. All right, guys. So this is what I'm about to do. I gotta take a quick call. But I'm gonna have Army Piper. No, Army Piper, you good? I don't need. You don't have to be on spotlight. But I'm gonna take a quick call. But while I'm taking this quick call, I'm going to pop over my winner for today. We're going to see who wins. We got all of the names in here. All of the names in here. So when a name is called, you guys will know who's the winner. So I'm gonna need everybody to make sure y'all are staying tapped in right now, because I'm about to go ahead and hit that. What button are we asking to hit? Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and hit this button to go, and then yeah. So guys, I'm gonna be back, but yeah, we're gonna select the winner.
Looks like Manas. Manas is your winner over there. Hey, somebody asked about the SPX 500. I'm actually looking at it right now. On the 15-minute, we're getting rejection under our dynamic reactor. I think we're actually getting ready to see more downside. But again, that's all dependent on the DEC. If the DEC keeps going up, obviously everything's still going to be looking prime for a short. I know you can't see my screen, but I can at least walk you through what I'm seeing. I mean, Dixie's still looking strong. We're getting a break above our delta line. When I look at gold, it's still on its way down. The SPY still on its way down. It actually would have been a really good profit for me on that one. If I take a look at the US 30, US 30 still pushing down hard. Yeah, so as long as the Dixie's still pushing upwards here, you're probably looking at more downside. Oh, you shared my screen. Okay. I just looked over and saw my screen. Oh, yeah, I'm there now.
Yeah, my bad. Cool. And,
no worries, bro.
And Manice, right? I'm guessing that's the name, Manice.
Yep.
You are the winner. Somebody said Manice is not here. All right. Well, I gotta screenshot this, guys. Just so you guys know, this is not the only giveaway. You guys know, if you tapped into my live streams, we do giveaways a lot. I mean, we got another giveaway. We got another giveaway with Chart Prime, right? You get 1 free month. So we got that giveaway coming too. And we will be announcing the winner this Wednesday, on Chart Prime, Army Piper's Chart Prime channel. So you guys make sure, I know all of y'all should already have subscribed. I will put it again just because.
Yeah, absolutely. And that Wednesday show this week, I've actually got a guest on from another YouTube channel that's going to be a guest on my show that day. So he's a crypto guy. So we'll be talking about some crypto, but I'll also be looking at, obviously the midweek market pulse, right? So everything. So I'm collabing with everybody, man.
It's a lot going on, that's for sure. It's a lot going on.
I want to build a better trader community.
Absolutely. I see a lot of y'all have
Dixie's just tearing, man. No, I got to say, man, I watch your show all the time, and I dig your community over here, bro.
I
Your
appreciate
Discord
that.
community and your YouTube people.
I appreciate that. Definitely appreciate that.
I normally just hang out in mine because there's not a lot of, toxicity. We keep that toxicity and trolling down to a minimum over there, And then I discovered yours, and I was like, wow, this is a really good community too, because they're hard to find. A
Yeah.
good community is really hard to find.
Yeah, that's a fact. That's a fact. Guys, I see NASDAQ want to head up, but yeah, we missed out on that one.
Neo said we love Solo.
Yeah, I appreciate that, man. And I see we got somebody here that just passed in the community. Somebody passed their phase 1 100K challenge. D-Web, I don't know if he's on. He's actually a student I used to teach. I don't know if he's on the live, but congratulations, man.
Let me go check this GJ. Someone's asking if there's a sell over there on GJ. I'm going to check it out for you.
All right.
I'm not seeing it yet. I don't think so yet. What are you seeing on your charts on GJ? Are you looking at it?
No, so GJ. Oh, hold up. With GJ, honestly,
Yeah.
It's in consolidation. I don't really see nothing. Yeah, I don't see
Yeah,
nothing.
so on my show, I do actually do some live trading and stuff on Wednesdays. If people call out stuff, I'll take a look at and tell you where I'm at. But I don't do like Solo does. Solo does like market opening stuff. So Solo's a diehard trader.
Appreciate it.
I trade for some vacay money. Solo trades for, building empires. What's the 9:45 news coming up? I don't think there's anything at 9:45. Dre asked if I would recommend a funded account. I have no input on that one, bro. I'm still breaking into this side of the trading world. I am a long-term crypto trader, moving into the CME and futures and all that recently. So Solo would know that answer.
What was it? Would you recommend a funded account? I tell people all the time, it just depends on you. What you prefer, I don't know. If you really want to do a funded account because you have more flexibility with, let's say, equity-wise, absolutely. But if you got a problem with risk, just try a personal account. Solo, you are a blessing, man. Started following you last week, Wednesday, and today I got a confidence to open a live account. John, that is what's up. I love hearing that. Congrats to you. Guys, by the way, I usually be reading like everybody's message. I promise you I do, but it's just today I can't really do it. Tomorrow I should be a lot better. Yeah, I heard about Funded Trader Plus. It's definitely good. Dollar's still going up, guys, so we're just building up more liquidity with dollar. Like, literally, look. It's just building up more liquidity. So if dollar breaks out the highs, let it tap back into some of these levels, and then boom. I don't see dollar coming back down to any of these levels, and if it does, cool. But maybe moves might push it down there, but we'll see. Yeah, but dollar, that's exactly as y'all see right now. That's exactly what's happening. I gotta appreciate the gems. No, I appreciate you for tuning in. As always. As always. NAS is dropping, but y'all know I don't. Goodness gracious, guys, y'all know I don't really like ride price down. I always like to get in a good position. My position would have been right here, but I missed it. And as you see, no pullback, no pullback.
That happens sometimes, man.
Yep.
Put that order in, never comes back to pick you up. You're left standing at the corner.
Yeah, that's a fact. That is a fact. And it happens so often, especially with indices too. Yo, Sway, where did you call entry at? Where was your entry at for GJ? When you guys tell me to take a look at something, I want y'all to know something about how I look at the market and trading. I noticed that a lot of people come on my comments and say, look at gold or look at dollar or look at this, and it's already doing this spike. So I don't know if y'all be expecting me to say, oh, sell it now, but I just want y'all to keep in mind that instead of y'all saying, oh, let's get in this because you see it spiking, I'm telling you guys right now, this is how 90% of traders fail, because they catching price when it's already down here. The moment that it pulls back, either you already halfway to blowing your account, you blew your account, or you mentally will think that you're going to blow your account, so you're going to tap out. And by the time you tap out, it will probably go back in your favor, probably be like, oh, I was right, then still go up. But for me, guys, all I look for is a range. Once my range is complete, I look for midpoint and POI, or midpoint and extreme. That's the most simplest way I break it down in all my life. But I look for it to tap into these liquidity areas, and I look for the drop. Within it, tap into these liquidity areas, I look for my confirmations. 3 confirmations I like to look for: price action momentum, market structure, and price action pattern. And then if you guys have any other indicators you want to use, that's also where you can use that. So but what I see with dollars is this: breaking out, coming in to either make a little bit more liquidity, breaking that, possibly coming here to build up more liquidity, tapping back here and then hopefully come down, or it could just go up. But we gotta see, y'all. That's probably the most I have spoke in like a short to long amount of time, or a long amount of time, because yeah. Yo, Armin, I'm gonna take some NyQuil.
You gonna crash the rest of the day?
Well, I have a class later. I know she's tapped in here.
Don't you have a class later?
Yeah, I got a class later, but I'm gonna still tap some NyQuil in. I'm gonna hit that NyQuil, boom. I don't know, but I'm gonna do it after my other class. I'm done for the day.
Hey, if any of you guys have the class today and Solo don't walk into his Discord classroom, you know why. He's at home, passed out.
Yeah. Oh man. It's funny though. Usually when my son gets sick, I never get sick from it. And usually when anybody gets sick, I'm like, oh, okay, you good. Don't worry about it. I mean, don't cough on me and all that, but I don't see myself getting sick. And I remember I ate salmon. I'm starting to think like, damn, I'm allergic to salmon or something, but I know I'm not, obviously. But I ate some salmon and out of nowhere my throat started hurting. I started coughing. I'm just like, what? And the next day I woke up. I'm like, yeah, I'm not feeling good at all. So it sucks, y'all. It really sucks, y'all. I
Feel your
catch
pain,
everything
bro.
my kids get twice. Wait, what you say, Army?
I said I feel your pain, man.
Yeah,
I'm
it's
fighting this thing off too.
It's crazy.
This is dedication, though. We are here.
Facts.
Dedicated.
That's a fact.
Yeah, Wednesday and Friday we got some U.S. news this week. Tomorrow, well, you're looking at charts there. I'll just go through some things tomorrow. We've got the balance of trade for October coming out tomorrow morning. It was previously down 73.3 billion. Now it's consensus is negative 80 billion. So we'll see if that comes out.
And when that comes out tomorrow?
Yeah, 6:30 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. So that will be 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.
All right, so we're looking at 7:30 our time.
We got API crude oil tomorrow at 2:30 my time, so 4:30 Eastern Standard Time. And then in the morning we got imports and exports at 6:30 also, so which comes out as part of the balance of trade. So that's it for tomorrow. Wednesday we got a lot. Non-farm productivity, unit labor cost, a lot of energy, oil, crude oil, and gasoline stock stuff. Consumer credit change. I'm curious to see that. That's probably something I'll talk about on my show on Wednesday. I want to see how many people are maxing out credit cards right now for the holiday season.
No, yeah, that's going to be amazing to see.
Now, Thursday, we got initial job claims for December. That's on Thursday at 6:30. And then Friday's going to be the... What's that? Go ahead.
No, I was going to say, what, is that all we got for Thursday?
That, and then continuing jobless claims, the jobless claim 4-week average, and then gas stocks, and then we got the 8-week and 4-week bill auction. So that's about it on Thursday. But Friday, we got the PPI coming in, the core PPI month over month. Like Friday's going to be volatility. Yeah, Friday's going to be something, man, for sure.
Yeah. We don't have any fast speaking, right?
Any
week.
What?
We don't have anything with fast speaking this week.
We got the Fed quarterly financial accounts, but no speaking.
Okay.
That's all next week, man. FOMC numbers.
Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, you are right.
Actually, I can tell you what we're at for that right now. Let me pull it up here. Yeah, we're at a 74.7% chance of 50 basis points for next week on the 14th. We've been at 75 basis points, 4 FOMC meetings in a row now. This will be the first lessening of the Fed rate increase at 50 basis points. So 75% chance of that. Interestingly enough, though, we're actually sitting at a 37% chance that the next FOMC after that, which would be February, 25 basis points, 37% chance, 50 basis points, 50% chance. So that's part of that process of that precursor pivot is that lessening of the FOMC numbers. We've been at 75 4 in a row. We get a couple at 50. If we move to 25, I could see the markets getting extremely bullish because even though it's not a pivot, it's a perceived pivot from the market investors. So,
So I mean, that would kind of make sense. You say you see what? So you see it going up, right? You can see some upward. Or you said downward?
No, downward. It's going to be 50 basis points.
Yeah, that makes sense.
If you bring it over here,
technical analysis.
If you pull my screen up, this is what I use.
Hold on. There we go.
There we go. So yeah, this is the CMEgroup.com, and you can see the FOMC meetings. Right now we're looking at 14 December is the next FOMC meeting. We do not have one in January. The next one's going to be in February. So this is really the only chance for the Fed to put anything in place that's going to go into play in 2023 in the final 2022 FOMC movement. So right now we're looking at 74.7% likelihood that it's going to be 50 basis points. So this will be 25 basis points, so 0.25% less than what we've had the last 4 FOMC meetings. I suspect that this is going to make the markets really bullish next week. Now, if this comes out at 75 basis points, which is only a 25.3% chance, but we're talking about the Fed government here, let's be honest. If this comes out and they do 75 basis points, the markets have been baking in 50 basis points already. So if they hit with 75, this is going to dump markets. It's going to be a sea of red. So, yeah, that's what I'm getting. This is where I get my FOMC data from. And then we're looking at February.
I'm going to have to tap into that too.
It's called CMEgroup.com. And here, I'll drop you a link in our Discord here.
All right.
There you go. Yeah, that's where I get all my FOMC data stuff. But this is February. There's not a meeting in January, like I said. So in February, we're looking at 36% chance of 25 basis points. Still sitting at a 50 basis points for 50% chance for 50 basis points. So there's only a 13% chance that we'll see 75 points. So,
oh wait, okay.
If you add this up, we got an 87% chance that we're going to see 50 or lower. So,
wow, that's good to see that. To see actually everything on the Feds with that, because I think that would be perfect to share it with the community so y'all can actually do a lot of y'all fundamental trading as well for those that like to trade the news.
Yeah, my big thing is macroeconomics. That's what I really do analyze is the macroeconomic stuff because everything's going to play off of that. So macroeconomics and news things that are coming out, the FUD, right? What's going to create some fear, uncertainty, or doubt in the marketplace, stuff like that. I go over a lot of that type of stuff. Where your stuff, the solo show is a lot of like really in-depth price action, liquidity, smart money concept training. So I think somewhere between the two of us is a great show, man.
For real, seriously, they can see it all. I like that.
Yeah.
Powell say they're gonna go easy. I don't believe anything they say. They're gonna go easy next meeting. That definitely means they're going to extreme next meeting. I'm just gonna tell you that right now. Whatever the government say, they are lying. When they say, guys, everything is fine, there is nothing going on with the world. There is something going on with the world.
Yeah, remember last year they said that our inflation was transitory. So
they said so much BS.
They said this inflation's transitory. It'll pass away. Don't worry about it.
Right.
Not the case.
You guys are awesome. I appreciate that. Make sure you subscribe to his channel as well, guys. It is Chart Prime. I'm gonna go ahead and reshare the link again.
Yeah, I appreciate you guys. Seriously, I do. All the support, everything. Gold. Let's take a look at gold. He said gold's down. That's what I started out the day looking at.
Gold's been dropping, and I see no up. I'm waiting on I'm waiting on a pullback with everything. That's all I'm waiting on, guys.
I would be setting alerts on your Dixie, man. Yep. That's going to be the indicator. Set an alert on the Dixie when you start seeing that pullback on the Dixie, and you get that alert going off. That's when you start looking at everything else.
Exactly, y'all. Because right now, dollar is it is pulling back, but like I said, I needed to do some liquidity phases right now, and then two, everything is just kind of consolidating. The only trade that we missed, obviously as a community, was the this NAS trade.
Or JB shorted gold twice this morning. Hey, is that RJB from our Chart Prime Discord? Bet it is. Yep. Oh, it's Hassan. Man, we're getting a lot of people coming in, bro. We're just going to start intermingling. Yeah.
That's what's up.
Yeah, I'm seeing gold still dropping too, man. What do you got on your screens?
I see gold dropping. I don't see anything else happening because I'm just looking at dollar right now, and dollar is still going up.
So it's funny because RJB that's in here, I showed you the candlestick. Jesus, let me think. Candlestick patterns, right? And how you can set the clusters to print off. I showed you that, right?
I think you showed me that too. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I'm talking to you.
I'm like, hold on.
Yeah.
I'm like, what are you talking about? Are you talking to RG? Okay. Yeah,
No, I was talking to you.
Join so
yeah, these here, these double bears.
Yeah.
So it's funny because RJB is actually the one that pointed that out to us in one of our roundtables that we do in our Discord community.
Word.
He actually pointed out about these double clusters. So we actually started putting this as an indicator and updated it with that. But in our community, we call it the RJB indicator. So
that's what's up. That's what's up. You're asking about the GU looking. Yeah, it ain't looking so good because it's still going down. It's dollar right now. Our dollar is so strong right now.
Which is horrible for other economies. Global economies, we're wrecking their economies, man.
Mm-hmm.
Horribly. I actually see that we could possibly exit this entire global recession period that we're going to go into a lot like we were in post Great Depression when the United States was so powerful financially that we started into the industrial age and we had like that golden era, but it's going to be tech this time. The US dollar is going to be so strong in comparison that everyone's going to want to put their money into the US dollar, and we're going to have a tech boom, and that'll be our next golden era of market investment.
You guys heard it. Start investing to some tech.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think by summer 2023, we'll have a shift, or at least a perceived shift from the Fed. That's going to be when everything plays out. Because you got to remember, FOMC raises its Fed fund rates based on lagging information. So the action is we get, for example, lower GDP or an inflation rate, so on and so forth. And then 3 months later is literally when the FOMC changes the Fed funds rates up or down based on 3-month-old data. And then it still takes 3 to 6 months for the changes that the Fed makes to take effect on the economy. So it's about a 6-month lag of everything getting changed, and we see how it played out. So probably by summer is when we're going to see the Fed start to move. But smart investments already going to have seen that because they're plugged into the machine. When fall starts to hit of 2023, everything's going to should be on an uptick at that point, and it's all going to be. If you miss the train, you're going to be running to catch up to it. So,
hey, I feel that, Army. That's yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Dixie pulling back a little bit on the 1 minute. We got the RJB indicator up here. And we are getting a reversal down on the Dixie. Hey, you might be getting a little scalp opportunity coming in, man.
For what?
15-minute Dixie's got a possible reversal down. And Dixie's starting to drop on the 1 minute. I'd start looking at all your other stuff. Shift it over to your screen so you can lead your guys into some trades, man.
Guys, so, hold on, y'all. right, there we go. So yeah, guys. So keep in mind that if y'all want to look for any opportunity, especially like Nasdaq right now, this one could be very risky. But y'all funny with the indicator. But I'm really interested in gold for sure. But like I said, we still got a lot of ground to cover with the gold. Dollar needs to honestly come in, which is taking this liquidity out, which is cool, but we got to come to this area too next, right? So seeing how strong dollar is, but gold isn't as strong as it wants to be because it's still momentum is still strong for sellers. It'll be kind of I don't know. We're gonna have to see what we got with gold, but GU is definitely something we're gonna keep our eyes open into because we got two ranges that we want to look at. We got actually a 3, if you look at it like that. We got this to here, right? We also have this smaller one here, and we got a bigger one here. So we got a lot going on right now with GU, but I do have a new level that I am interested in, which will literally be roughly around, I would say around 1.2207. We can kind of see what happens from there. I'm not going to sell it once it comes there, but we can kind of see what happens from there. Otherwise, the other level that I am interested in is literally somewhere around here, up here. Well, that depends on what dollar's trying to give us, though. Because I need to see dollar drop. Like a tremendous drop to these levels right here. If we can do this right here, boom, boom, tap into this level right there and then come down, that will make sense. While this will come up, maybe it depending on how strong GU wants to hold, it can come up further and then come down. I don't know. We're going to see. We're going to see.
Oh, we printed a downtrend on the 1 minute on Dixie also.
Yeah, I did see. Oh, you talking about with the chart prime, right?
Yeah. So we got the reversal down on the 15 minute and a downtrend on the 1 minute. I don't know. I think it's given some promise for some entries at least. I think see how the Dixie plays out here.
Yeah. Pretty much Nasdaq US does the same, essentially, y'all. I really like to look at VTI too, but VTI has been a little, like extreme for me. But I mean VTI, we do see downwards movement. However, as far as like a shorter play going up, we do have this little pull. Still like to come further up and then boom. Possibly see a drop. We might see a drop, but we have to see, y'all. And here's the reason why GU is so strong right now, because British pound looks like it wants to actually start reacting off of this area here. As well as that, we know dollars now dropping, so this makes sense on why GU is going to do what it needs to do. Now with GU though, or with British pound, if you guys look at it, we are heading up, right? We do have uptrends going up, but we are also going sideways too at the same time. So we got to be very cautious of this one. But with GU, it is strong going up, or sorry, British pound, it is strong going up. We kind of want to see if we can start reacting to some of these levels here and then heading down. Y'all talking about US 30? What is this right here? Man, let's see. Yeah, it's the same thing with NASDAQ. I mean, I'm still looking on it to tap up into some of these levels here. From here to here. And then kind of see where we can go from there. Literally, these two levels make sense for me. Because if dollar wants to head down, yeah, it makes sense for US 30 to hit those levels and then maybe possibly see it continuing down. But y'all know how I am. I love the extreme level more than anything. Because once it taps into there, boom, I'm looking for that one-on-one trade and it's over with. By the way, if y'all not in the Discord, make sure you guys join the Discord.
Bitcoin short's doing pretty good right now, man.
I need to get back on that grind. All right, let's see. All I'm gonna eat today is soup. That's all I'm eating today is soup. I need my voice back, y'all.
I have to say, you sound better now than what you did this morning when I talked to you.
Yeah, I know. I'm like, dang. I've been typing in this. Yeah, I hear it too. I didn't realize anybody would know that. That's good to know. I have learned so much from your channel. Thank you so much. Hold on, I can't see. Thank you so much. Been profitable in the last 2 weeks. Two weeks combining your approach with my strategy. That's what's up. Annual dope, man. I love hearing that. Always wait on the pullback. Exactly. So, guys, here we got GJ. GJ is consolidating. I am looking overall for it to go up. I am looking on that. But, see, here's the thing, though. Here's the thing. So, with this right here, right, British pound, we're in this consolidation. So, I kind of want to see what it's going to do. Because I do see that it built liquidity up here. It looks like it's trying to do the same thing down here. But when we tap into yen, the overall trend should be down, right? As far as just looking at it in this section. But obviously, if we start tapping up on a higher scale, you guys see we did take liquidity out. So if we can remain solid with lower highs, we definitely will be seeing some downward moves with yen. That means British pound, we could see upward moves. Yeah, GJ is definitely on a consolidation. It's about to be on a consolidation thing. I can tell you that right now. Because British pound is doing this consolidation thing. And it's kind of like playing this game right here, you know, and we're trying to see what the hell is really going on. I appreciate that, Michelle. Unfortunately, like I said, I would want to read it out loud, but I'm really not trying to speak too much. But I appreciate that. See, I think my voice, I think it's because I was doing all that damn yelling when we wasn't getting them lights up. When I'm dealing with liquidity, look for liquidity. Yes, I look for liquidity on a higher time frame, most likely first, and then I start tapping to a lower scale. So guys, here's the play that I have for up and coming. We got dollar. I'm looking forward to tap into here. And it's not set in stone exactly what level, but around 105, I want to see what happens around there. I want to see if we break these lows, because if we do, that could possibly mean we will pull and make possibly, I'm not saying it's actual facts, because it could do one or two things. Take this liquidity, build up more liquidity, and then ride up. Maybe it wants to build up more liquidity and take this liquidity out, tap into this level right here of liquidity again, then hit up. That's one scenario. Other scenario is it could just go straight down, tap up, and then build more liquidity up. Tap further down, tap out, and then come down, grab this liquidity, come to POI, and then go up. So, we're going to see what dollar guys can play for us. The lights ain't as high as it used to be, because I'm not really intriguing with the lights I used to be, because it's just, I'm just really like, yeah. So if we can get dollar to head down, I will want to expect gold to come up, and gold is strong, y'all. Honestly, we've been needing this drop. Seriously, this drop was needed. That's happening now. So yeah, guys, we got a lot of areas we can pay attention to, like this one right here. I'm putting these alerts in because if you guys aren't tapped into the community, you're not gonna really know what's up. So these alerts that I'm putting in is something that I got alert for later. NASDAQ too, I got the same bias what I had with US 30. This is our midpoint. Really extreme could be here and also up there. This looks nice to sell it, but I'm not selling it. It's got to come over here. It's got to. So yeah, once we tap into there, this midpoint on my extreme, I will be looking for some sales. So definitely got to keep our eyes open on that. GJ, I do see it coming down and then possibly going up, but it's going to be consolidating for a bit. So we're going to see what's happening. So guys, we're going to be ending this one a little bit, but not Patrick, but I said Patrick, Henry Piper.
Yeah.
Do you want to go ahead and tell them anything, just to make sure for this, that's just not tapping into what we got going on. I'm gonna go ahead and push it over here.
All right. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. So, hey, I appreciate you having me on the show, and I appreciate everybody's, welcoming comments there in the chat. You guys are all awesome. So, yeah, I understand, that paid indicators are not for everyone. Some people have mad skills like Solo, and they can do it with their eyes closed pretty much, as long as they got the finger on the pulse, right? But some people want that extra confluence and extra confirmation, and that's a great thing to get from Chart Prime, especially with the accuracy of the indicators. So, I mean, as you can see right here I was looking at the GJ. You can see right here, I told you about the gold bands on the predictive ranges. We just back and forth in here ranging. So quick scalping there, easily done on a 15-minute chart. But you know, some people it's for them, some people it's not. But if you want it, you can get it in the link down below here on Solo's channel. Check it out. Even if you don't want to get the indicators, come on over to our community and hang out. We got a lot of people that give trade setups over there. They're actually in the chat right now. So great community. And as you know, my people have been coming over from our community to Solos. I invite you guys to come over, intermingle, because no one's as smart as all of us combined. So remember that. But I appreciate you having me on. I appreciate the time, and I'd like to have you on my show at some point here in the near future, Solo. So.
Absolutely, man. We appreciate you for tuning in. We definitely appreciate you for dropping gems on the chart prime, dropping gems on the fundamentals of news, and just dropping gems on the market. Definitely appreciate you. And we're going to have them back on here, guys. We definitely will, you know. So if y'all want a request, just let me know. I hit them up and say, hey, yo, Army, you know, they want you on board. Boom, we'll set something up.
Absolutely. Sounds great, brother. I appreciate you.
No problem, man. Well, peace, man. I appreciate you for tuning in.
Peace, love, and trading.
Thanks.
Yep. Later.
So like I said, guys, once again, that's Army Piper. Check out his channel. It's dope. Everything is dope about it. And also tune into also the Chart Prime as well. He drops a lot of crazy gems on there. Does a lot of live sessions too. You know, so you guys want to make sure you're involved in that as well. All of that link is in the description and so forth. Y'all know I'm sick. This is why today is really like ain't nothing happening. Right? The only thing I really seen was NASDAQ trade. This is actually a history for us right now. Every time I've been live, I think we honestly took a trade. This is probably the first time we didn't take one, but it's all good. Like I said, we're not expecting to trade fucking every day or have an opportunity every fucking day. And that's the case, then y'all will probably not succeed because y'all forcing shit that doesn't exist. So yeah, guys, I just want y'all to keep that in mind and whatnot. But guys, if you are not in the Discord community, once again, join the Discord community, all right? Because we go live on there as well, VIP and all that stuff. But guys, I'm going to tune out. Love, I appreciate y'all. Tomorrow we still live. I'm still going strong. Y'all can hear my voice. I'm trying my best. Everybody, peace and love. Talk to y'all tomorrow. Peace.